Rosselli team here from Caldwell Banker. 5 reasons why now might be the perfect time to sell or refinance your Miramar Pembroke Pines property. Number 1, tons of demand. In addition to historically high national demand, Miramar and Pembroke Pines are seeing a lot of attention from people leaving states like New York and California. Number 2, not a lot of competition. There simply aren't a lot of homes on the market, so many sellers are still finding that this allows them to get a great price and dictate the kind of terms that make selling relatively pain-free. Number 3, rising interest rates. If the Federal Reserve raises rates, buyers will qualify for lower mortgage amounts. This will cause a softening in values. Number 4, the bubble might pop. Home prices have appreciated rapidly the past few years. Historically, all bubbles pop. Now might be the time to get out while you can. Number 5, opportunity to cash out and buy other things. Investment property, new kitchen, new car, vacation. Some people are even selling now, moving to a cheaper situation and saving the cash for when prices come back down. Curious about what your Miramar Pembroke Pines property might sell for? Text home value report to 954-895-0285. Home value report 954-895-0285.